Hi, this is Sonia with Gardening Tips, and welcome back. This week we're talking about companions. Plants have friends and plants have foes. And you can see on this slide there's all the friends, a list of friends. So, for instance, plants that you can plant beside each other and they won't um, hurt the growth of each other, because some plants put nitrogen into the soil, some take it out. So for examples, if you want to plant lettuce, you can plant carrots and radishes and beets beside them, and same with like cauliflower, you can plant beside beans and celery. You can see all these ones listed here. And then there's others that are foes. They don't get along. So for instance, the bean family, green beans, wax beans, pole beans, they should not be planted near onions or cabbage. And same with corn and tomatoes. They attract the same pests. And you can see the ones listed there. So these are plants that are not compatible to each other. And there's lots of more information if you want to look that up on the internet. You can find more if yours is not listed here. So there's some herbs here, thyme and basil, you can see that will repel certain mosquitoes, not mosquitoes, insects. Like the thyme will repel those cabbage moths. So if you have cabbage, you can plant thyme beside it so that helps with disease control, pest control. And basil, it will repel aphids, mites, flies, and mosquitoes. So you can plant it near plants where you have problems with those things. So again, a lot more information out there in books. Buy yourself a good book on gardening, and all the details would be in there, just to alert you now that these are issues that you need to think about when you are putting together your garden plan. So happy gardening. See you next week, and we're going to tell you how to plant your seeds. Happy gardening.